When a fire strikes, every second counts. And when a fire hydrant fails, it can lead to devastating losses of life and property. It's time to bring our safety technology up to speed. Introducing the Spartan 300 Fire Hydrant, a revolutionary innovation in fire safety. The design of the Spartan 300 provides authorized access in mere seconds, maximized water flow and increased pressure for powerful, consistent firefighting, anti-corrosive parts that are built to withstand even the harshest elements and climates. Plus, with an unbeatable 25-year warranty, you can count on the Spartan 300 for years to come. Traditional hydrants easily break down, leaving firefighters without access to water when it's needed the most. With the Spartan 300's internal design, you will no longer stress over broken or frozen hydrants. Missing caps, stripped nuts, and damaged fittings are virtually eliminated with this superior firefighting system. The Spartan 300 offers unparalleled integrity, quality, and performance that you can rely on. Our patented design requires fewer tools for firefighters and less maintenance for water authorities. It's the ultimate hydrant for the 21st century, the Spartan 300.